Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on my Marc Jacobs pillow bag. So let's get into the video. A while back I shared my reveal of my Marc Jacobs pillow bag. If you didn't know, since then I've picked up the mini Marc Jacobs pillow bag. So I have both bags to share with you guys, compare, review. So let's get into my review and thoughts on the Marc Jacobs pillow bag. Here is the Marc Jacobs pillow bag. This is the regular size, guys. I will definitely make sure I put all the details and links below if you're interested. So this bag is a traditional flap bag. It just opens up with a magnetic closure this way. Beautiful, just classic design of a bag. In the back, there's a slip pocket, but this also has a magnetic closure right there. So it comes with this chain linked shoulder strap. So this is a shorter strap that you can use on your shoulder, just kind of throw it on effortlessly as a shoulder bag. It also comes with this detachable and adjustable leather strap. You can make it as long as short as you prefer it if you want to wear it crossbody. I have it up a little higher, but then I made my mini bag a little longer. The bag is in the cranberry color, which is a bright red. If you guys don't know, this bag is currently on major sale, like everywhere. This bag originally retailed for, I think, $495, whereas the mini size retailed for $450. Now they're both on sale. You can pick up this bag for about $280 US, and definitely you can find a promotion. Again, I'm put links below. I thought that the original retail price was very reasonable for the quality handbag. Now to get it on sale, like everybody who wants a Marc Jacobs bag, go buy this one. Great bag, and it's a great buy at that price. This is lambskin, guys. So while it has this puffy pillow effect, hence the name, the pillow bag, this is lambskin leather. So it's super soft. It's just like crinkly. Just look at that leather, guys. It's just a beautiful sheen to the bag. The color, the leather, I think that is what gets me, is the softness of the leather. So lambskin handbags are just one of my favorites because I feel like the leather is the most luxurious. And Marc Jacobs just nailed it with this design and going with lambskin leather because it's just so light and super soft. And the shine with the crinkle of the leather, stunning. So I absolutely adore it. I adore the design. All your daily essentials will definitely fit in here, and I would say you could probably put in a small water bottle or a little scarf or something as well. Like, this is a very substantial size. I also have the mini. I recently did a what's in my bag video where I featured this handbag, so if you want to see all that fits in here and how I organize it, definitely check out that video. The mini, this is the regular size. Up this one a little bit. Again, the same composition. The only difference on the interior between the mini and the regular size is that the regular size has a zipper compartment in the back. Oh, and it has a little leather tag inside where it says Jacobs. The only difference is the regular size comes with a zipper compartment, whereas the mini size simply has a flap in the back versus a full zippered pocket. Both have this tab here that says the Marc Jacobs. That, besides the interior pocket that tells you which bag it is, that's the only branding on it. It doesn't have any other Marc Jacobs anywhere else. And I feel like this tab here is really subtle. Like, I feel like I don't even notice it when I look at the bag unless I'm pointing it out. So here's the tag on the red bag, which again, I feel like the tag is just so subtle. And I mean, that's important to me, so I want to make sure I highlight that. Just kind of quickly, my reviews and thoughts. I am loving these bags. I think it's such a fun design. I get lots of compliments on it. It looks so cute. So I think there's certain statement pieces that you can add to your wardrobe that will just enhance your style and just make you look like effortlessly fashionable when you step out. It could be a certain jacket. It can be a pair of shoes. It can be a statement piece of jewelry or an accessory. And in this case, I feel like the Marc Jacobs pillow bag is definitely one of those statement pieces that is simple to add to your wardrobe, and it would just elevate your look and style. So that's my thoughts on it. As far as whether this is a classic, whether it's very trendy, I feel like these puffer bags are definitely on trend right now. I do associate them more with colder months. When you're wearing a coat or a heavy, like a wool coat, something long, and you drape this over it, it just gives it such an edge. I think the mini size, especially in a light color like this, works so well in the summer. It's June and I've been wearing this every day, and I have felt like I've been totally on trends and looks cute with my summer outfits. Even now I'm wearing like a light denim dress. If I were to just throw this on, it would go perfectly. The larger size may look better in the colder months, whereas the mini I think is more versatile throughout the year, especially if you're getting in a lighter color. This comes in the cranberry red, which I have, the cotton white, and then of course it comes in black. It also comes in a beautiful baby pink. It's super cute. If I were like that girl who wore pink a lot or wore white a lot, because I don't wear lots of white or pink, but if I was that girl, I would get the pink bag because I just feel like that baby pink looks so beautiful. And imagine that bag styled up with an all white look and maybe some pink loafers. Let's picture it. This bag in a baby pink, white trousers fitted with pink loafers that are close enough to the color of the bag. Simple belt, maybe a white button-down linen shirt tucked into the trousers with the collar maybe popped if the shirt was structured enough. Very simple jewelry, and this bag crossbody, it's like, hi ma'am, who are you? And you're fabulous. So guys, obviously I think there's no doubt in your mind that I just love this Marc Jacobs pillow bag, which is why I decided I would be giving one away. If you don't know, I'm running a giveaway on my channel right now where I'm giving away a brand new Marc Jacobs mini pillow bag to one of my subscribers. If you're interested in entering the giveaway, definitely check out the details below and go to the video where the giveaway is running so you can enter to win. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and travel. So if you have any questions or comments, as always, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.